everyone, quick question for you.
Do you understand English, but you feel scared to speak it?
Or maybe you understand words, but real conversations feel too fast?
If you said yes, don't worry, you are in the right place.
Today you will listen to a real conversation, a morning conversation. Simple, slow, clear.
And by the end of this episode, you will understand it completely.
Let's start. Welcome back to Fearless English Podcast. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. Today, we have a great lesson for you.
Today's topic is your morning routine, waking up, going to work, and getting coffee.
This is something everyone does, so this English will be very useful for you.
Before we start, one small favor. If this podcast helps you, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell too, so you don't miss new episodes.
Okay, let's get ready to practice some English.
Today, you will hear some important words. Let's look at them first.
The first word is commute. Have you heard this word before?
A commute is your daily trip to work or school. For example, my commute is 30 minutes.
You will hear this word several times today.
The next word is grab. In this lesson, grab doesn't mean to hold something with your hand.
We use grab for something quick, like let's grab a coffee or I'll grab my bag.
Another word is traffic. Traffic is all the cars on the road.
When there is a lot of traffic, cars move very slowly.
Next word, running late. This means you are not on time. You are late.
I'm running late is a very common English word. People say it every day.
We also have the word order, like I want to order a coffee.
And to go. When your coffee is to go, it means you take it with you. You don't stay in the coffee shop.
One more word, coworker. A coworker is a person who works with you. One more important word, presentation. A presentation is when you talk to a group about something, often at work or school.
For example, I have a presentation tomorrow. I'm a little nervous.
And finally, nervous. When you feel nervous, you feel a little worried or scared before something happens.
For example, I feel nervous before a big meeting. Many English learners feel nervous too. That's completely normal.
Great. Now let's hear these words in a real conversation.
Hey, Leo. Good morning.
Good morning, Mia. Oh, wow, you look tired today.
I am so tired. My alarm didn't ring this morning.
Oh no, what happened?
I woke up at 7:30, not 6:30. I was running late.
Oh, that's not good. What did you do?
I got up fast. I didn't have time for breakfast. I just took a quick shower.
Did you eat anything?
No, nothing. I just grabbed my bag and my phone and I left the house.
What about your commute? Was it long today?
Yes, there was so much traffic. Usually, my commute is 20 minutes. Today, it was 40 minutes.
40 minutes? That's a long commute.
I know. I was in the car and I was thinking, I'm going to be late for work.
Did you take the bus or did you drive today?
I drove today. Usually, I take the bus, but this morning I was in a hurry, so I drove.
That makes sense. When you're running late, driving can feel faster.
Yes, but today it wasn't faster. The traffic was terrible.
Okay, so what did you do when you finally got to work?
Well, before work, I stopped at the coffee shop near my office.
Oh, the one on Main Street. I love that place.
Yes, that one. I really needed coffee. I didn't sleep enough, and I didn't eat breakfast.
What did you order?
I ordered a large coffee to go and a small sandwich.
That sounds good. Was the coffee shop busy?
Very busy. There was a long line. Many people wanted coffee before work, just like me.
I understand that. Everyone needs coffee in the morning.
Exactly. While I was waiting in line, I saw Sarah. Do you remember Sarah? She's our coworker from the marketing team.
Oh, yes, I know Sarah. She's very friendly.
Yes, she is. We talked for a few minutes while we waited for our coffee.
What did you talk about?
We talked about the new project at work. She said it's a big project and the team is very excited.
That's nice. So after you got your coffee, what did you do?
I walked to the office. It's only 5 minutes from the coffee shop.
Oh, that's convenient. Did you arrive on time?
Actually, no. I was 15 minutes late.
Oh no. Did your boss say anything?
A little. She said, Mia, you're late again. But she wasn't angry. She was just a little worried.
I understand. It happens to everyone sometimes.
Yes, but I don't want to be late every day. I need a better morning routine.
What is your morning routine usually, on a normal day, I mean?
On a normal day, I wake up at 6:30. I take a shower and then I make breakfast at home.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Usually, I eat eggs and toast, and I drink coffee at home too.
That sounds like a healthy breakfast.
Yes, it is. But this morning was different. Everything went wrong.
Well, at least you got your coffee in the end.
Yes, coffee always helps. What about you, Leo? What's your morning routine?
My morning routine is very simple. I wake up early at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock, that's early.
Yes, but I like the morning. It's quiet. I like to have time before work.
What do you do at 6 o'clock?
First, I drink a glass of water. Then I go for a short walk outside.
A walk? Every day?
Yes, every day. It helps me wake up, and I think about my day during the walk.
That's a great habit. I should try that.
You should. It's very relaxing. After my walk, I make breakfast. I usually eat oatmeal with fruit.
Oatmeal. That sounds healthy too.
Yes, and it's quick to make. After breakfast, I get ready for work.
What's your commute like? Is it long?
No, my commute is short. I live close to the office, so I walk to work.
Oh, that's nice. You don't need a car or a bus.
Exactly. My commute is only 15 minutes, and I walk every day. It's good exercise, too.
I'm a little jealous. My commute is much longer than yours.
Well, maybe you can listen to English podcasts during your commute.
That's true. Actually, I do that sometimes. I listen to English conversations in the car.
That's a great idea. A long commute isn't so bad if you're learning something.
You're right. Okay, from tomorrow, I want to have a better morning routine.
What's your plan?
I want to wake up earlier, maybe at 6 o'clock like you.
That's a good start.
And I want to eat breakfast at home, not at the coffee shop.
That will save you time and money.
True, coffee shop coffee is a little expensive.
Yes, it is. But sometimes it's nice to treat yourself.
That's true too. Maybe one day a week I can go to the coffee shop, just for fun.
That sounds like a good balance.
Thanks, Leo. Talking about this helps me think about my routine.
I'm happy to help. Okay, are you ready for work now?
Yes, I have my coffee and I'm ready.
Great. Let's go to the meeting. It starts in 5 minutes.
Oh no, let's hurry. I don't want to be late again.
Let's go.
Wait, before we go, can I ask you something?
Sure, what is it?
What are your plans for the weekend? Are you doing anything fun?
Actually, yes. My family is visiting me this weekend. My sister and my parents are coming.
Oh, that's wonderful. How long are they staying?
They're staying for 3 days, from Friday to Sunday.
That's nice. Do you have any plans with them?
Yes, on Saturday we're going to a restaurant downtown. It's a new Italian restaurant.
Ooh, I love Italian food. What's it called?
It's called Bella Vista. My coworker told me about it last week.
I haven't heard of that one. Is it expensive?
Not too expensive. The prices are reasonable and the reviews are excellent.
That sounds perfect. What about Sunday? Any plans?
On Sunday, we're just staying home. We're going to relax and watch a movie together.
That sounds relaxing. Family time is important.
It really is. I don't see my family often, so this weekend is special for me.
I understand. What about your weekend plans? Do you have anything fun coming up?
What about you? Are you doing anything special?
Actually, yes. My friend and I are going shopping on Saturday. I need some new clothes for work.
Oh, nice. Where are you going shopping?
I'm going to the mall near my house. There's a big sale this weekend.
That's good timing. What are you looking for?
I need a new jacket. My old one is too small now.
I understand that. Shopping can be fun, but it can also be tiring.
Yes, especially when the mall is busy. But I'm excited to find something nice.
I hope you find a great jacket.
Thank you. And after shopping, we're going to grab lunch together, maybe at that new coffee shop.
The one on Main Street, the one you went to this morning.
Yes, that one. Their food is really good, not just the coffee.
I should try it sometime.
You should. Okay, now let's really get to work. We're going to be late for the meeting.
You're right. Let's hurry. Wait, one more thing before we go.
What is it?
Do you have your notebook for the meeting? I remember you forgot it last time.
Oh no, you're right. Let me check my bag. Okay, phew, it's here. Thank you for reminding me, Leo.
No problem. That's what friends are for.
True. Okay, now let's go. The meeting starts in 3 minutes.
Let's walk fast. Or should we run?
Let's just walk fast. I don't want to spill my coffee.
Good point. Okay, let's go.
Okay, we made it. We're only 1 minute late.
Not bad. Let's go inside and find our seats.
Oh, look, Sarah is already sitting over there. She looks a little nervous.
Nervous? Why do you think that?
She told me earlier she's presenting the new project today in front of everyone.
Oh, I understand. Presentations can be stressful even for experienced people.
Yes, but she's worked so hard on this project, I'm sure she'll do great.
I agree. What time does her presentation start?
It starts at 9:30, right after the morning announcements.
Okay, we have a few minutes before that. I should send her a quick message to wish her luck.
That's a nice idea. She'll appreciate that.
Okay, I just sent it. Good luck today. You've prepared so well.
I'm sure that will make her feel better.
I hope so. You know, watching her prepare this week gave me an idea.
What idea?
I think I want to give a presentation too one day, maybe about time management.
Time management. That's interesting. Why that topic?
Well, because you're always running late these days. Just kidding.
Ha, very funny. But actually, that's not a bad topic. I could learn a lot from it.
I could share tips about morning routines, things that work well for me.
I would love that.
I would love that. Maybe you can present it next month.
That's a great plan. I'll start writing some notes today.
Okay, let's be quiet now. The manager is walking in. The meeting is starting.
You're right. Let's listen carefully.
Okay, let's check your understanding. I'll ask a few questions. Try to answer before Leo does. Question 1. Why was Mia late this morning?
Mia was late because her alarm didn't ring. She woke up late at 7:30.
Question 2. What did Mia order at the coffee shop?
Mia ordered a large coffee to go and a small sandwich.
Question 3. Who did Mia see at the coffee shop?
Mia saw Sarah, her co-worker from the marketing team.
Question 4. What time does Leo usually wake up?
Leo wakes up at 6 o'clock every morning.
Question 5. What are Leo's weekend plans with his family?
Leo's family is visiting for 3 days. On Saturday, they're going to an Italian restaurant called Bella Vista.
Question 6. What is Mia planning to do on Saturday?
Mia is going shopping with her friend. She wants to buy a new jacket.
Question 7. Why is Sarah nervous at the meeting?
Sarah's nervous because she has to present the new project in front of everyone.
Great job if you got these answers correct. You are understanding real English conversation.
Let's review some useful expressions from today's conversation.
The first one, I'm running late. We use this when we are not on time.
For example, I'm running late for my meeting. Or, sorry, I'm running late.
Next expression, grab a coffee. This means to get a coffee quickly.
You can also say, grab a bite for a quick meal. Let's grab a bite before the movie.
Another one, to go. We use this for food or drinks that we take with us.
Can I get this to go is very common at restaurants and coffee shops.
Next, my commute is time. This tells someone how long your trip to work is.
My commute is 30 minutes. Or, my commute is short. I just walk.
And last, that sounds like a good balance. We use this when someone has a good plan.
For example, you work hard, but you also rest. That sounds like a good balance.
These expressions are very natural. Native speakers use them every single day.
Let's add 2 more. Good timing. We say this when something happens at the right moment.
For example, there's a sale this weekend. That's good timing. Or, you called me. Good timing. I needed to ask you something.
And the last one, that's what friends are for. We say this after we help a friend.
For example, thank you for helping me. No problem. That's what friends are for.
Try using one of these expressions today in a real sentence about your own life. Now, let's practice speaking. I will say a sentence, but it's not finished.
You need to finish it. Say your answer out loud.
Ready? Here's the first one. I usually, before work.
Here's my example. I usually drink coffee before work. Good job if you said something similar.
Next one. My commute is.
My commute is 30 minutes by bus. Now try it with your own commute.
One more. When I'm running late,
My example, when I'm running late, I don't eat breakfast. What about you? Say your answer out loud.
Let's try 2 more. Here's the next one. On the weekend, I usually...
My example, on the weekend, I usually go shopping with my friends. Now say your own answer.
Last one. I feel nervous when...
My example, I feel nervous when I speak English in front of people. That's very honest, right?
It's okay to feel nervous. Speaking a new language takes courage.
Exactly. Every time you speak, you become a little braver and a little better.
Great job practicing your speaking today.
Wow, that was a great lesson. Let's review what we learned today.
We learned the words commute, grab, traffic, running late, order, to go, and coworker.
We listened to a real conversation about morning routines and coffee.
We practiced key expressions like I'm running late and grab a coffee.
Remember, listening is the key to speaking well. The more you listen, the more natural your English becomes.
So listen to this episode again, maybe 2 or 3 times. Your brain will remember more each time.
And try to use these new words today. Maybe you can say, I'm running late this week.
Also, remember our expressions, good timing, that's what friends are for, and grab a coffee.
Try to use at least one of these expressions in a real conversation this week.
You can even write a sentence in the comments using one of today's words or expressions.
That's a great way to practice. Writing helps you remember, and speaking helps you feel confident.
Every small step brings you closer to fluent English. Don't give up. Now, we want to hear from you.
Here's our question. What do you usually do in your morning routine?
Write your answer in English in the comments below.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just practice. We will read your comments. That's all for today's episode.
Keep listening,
Keep speaking.
and remember,
English isn't about being perfect.
it's about being fearless.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Be confident.